XIAOMI Mi 8, and let me show you how to take screenshots on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Then find here and select the screen that you want to capture. In my case, it will be simply the list of settings. And now let me show you the first method of taking screenshots. All you need to do is simply press together power key and volume down. So let me show you power key and volume down. And as you can see, the device just took a screenshot. So let me show you again, power key and volume down simultaneously, and you just capture the screenshot. You can also use the second way of taking screenshots. Let's just use upper bar twice, and here let's tap screenshot. That's it. Let me show you again. Let's use upper bar twice, tap screenshot. And in XIAOMI Mi 8 you can also use the third way of taking screenshots. All you need to do is swipe down with 3 fingers. And you just capture the screen. Let me show you again. Swipe down with 3 fingers. And you just save the following screen. That's it. Now if you would like to share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures, let's choose here gallery. Here let me allow gallery to access photos, etc. Tap albums, choose screenshot, and now you can share, edit, delete, or do whatever you want with the following pictures. That's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.